YouTube, what up? It's your boy
Wavy Crockett.
And today, man, I'm coming at you guys with a video on how to maintain your woof in the summer, man. How to maintain your woof. I know it's getting real hot out here, and you guys are still trying to gain progress by woofing. So you need to know how to maintain it and how to still keep your hair laid, moisturized throughout the summer, man. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do and some tricks and tips to keep your woof manageable. Let's get it. All right, YouTube, so the number one thing that you have to do to maintain your woof is heavy brushing, man. Heavy brushing. Like, you have to put in extra work in the summer. Extra work. People try to rely on pomade and products and all that kind of stuff to keep their hair laid, but you gotta put the brush work in. You gotta put the brush work in, man. Like, you have to. The brush is what's gonna train your hair. And when your hair is trained to lay down, it don't matter what climate it's in. It could be summer, fall, spring, winter. It does not matter. Your hair will be trained, man. So make sure that you are heavy brushing. Making sure that you are hard brushing, medium brushing, plastic bag, soft brushing, all that, man. You need to get full sessions in to train your hair and get down to that first layer of that woof and making sure that you are doing what you're supposed to do, man. So remember that. Heavy brushing. That's what's gonna get your hair trained. All right, YouTube, I know you guys are like,
Hey, Wavy Crockett, we already know what trains our hair. You've told us this numerous times. We know the brush trains our hair, but we want to know, what products should we use in the summer?
I'm glad you asked, YouTube. The products that you want to use in the summer are always light products, such as water-based products, man. I really like to use oils. My number one oil right now is the Curly Chicks oil. I've been letting you guys know about this in my live streams. It's great, it's light, it doesn't cake up your scalp, and that's something that you want to keep in mind. You don't want to use heavy products like Jamaican black castor oil. That's a heavy oil. It's a thick oil. You want something that's water based, something that's gonna just, you know, smooth, go right on and really leave your hair soft and manageable. All right, YouTube, so the last tip that I'm gonna give you guys for managing your woof in the summer is upping your washes. Upping your washes, man, and making your washes a little bit longer. You don't have to wash for a whole hour or, you know, 45 minutes, but try to get longer than a 10-minute wash in, man. Really take your time on your washes. Get your hair in place, because normally a lot of people do the washing style method. So make sure you have your hair in place first and rag up and really put the work in while your hair is wet, because that's going to train your hair. Just like tip number one, training your hair is what's going to get your woof to last longer. Make sure you are training your hair. So if you're a person that washes your hair just once a week, please up it to 2 times a week. If you wash twice a week already, try to just get you a co-wash in after your second wash. You know what I'm saying? Co-washes are definitely good. They are not as damaging as a regular wash. All right, YouTube, so those are my 3 tips for you guys to manage your woof in the summer. Leave a comment below on how long you're gonna be woofing this summer. Right now, I am currently, I believe, 5 weeks. 5 weeks, man. I'm 5 weeks woofing. I'm trying to go, I wanna go 8. So, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna keep pushing it, man. So you guys leave a comment below on how long you're woofing, man. Leave a comment below on products that you're using currently with your woof. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. We're almost at 10K. Wavy Crockett merchandise will be coming soon, man. So be on the lookout for that. Like, subscribe. Wavy Crockett signing out.